Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip. Welcome to the 12th match of the 2016 HiQ season, sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Today's match features students from McGill-Toolen, Murphy, and the home team, Mary G. Montgomery. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Here's how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if the team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams up here can gain 1 point with a correct answer. And I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. All right, Mary Montgomery, your question in current events. Give the name of the first network reality show which aired in 2000. It drew 15.5 million viewers, and its stars became household names. Five seconds.
Keeping Up with the Kardashians?
Try again. McGill-Toolen.
Survivor.
Survivor is correct. 1 point for McGill. Murphy. Dutch National Police are working with a local company to train eagles to hunt down what illegal items?
Drones.
Drones is right. 4 points. McGill. The political party of Aung San Suu Kyi won a large majority in this country's first freely elected parliament in decades. In which country did this election take place?
Indonesia,
Try again.
China,
Try again.
Malaysia.
Try again.
Japan.
What was your last answer?
Japan.
No. Murphy.
Burma.
Yes. Burma or Myanmar. Right. Very good. 1 point. Murphy. American history. Back to Mary G. General Stonewall Jackson was mistakenly shot by his own men and died a few days later. Give the name of the battle at which this occurred.
Bunker Hill?
Try again.
Antietam?
Try again. Murphy.
Chancellorsville.
What was that?
Chancellorsville.
Yes. Very good. 1 point. Murphy. General Ulysses S. Grant's first signal success came in Tennessee after he captured 2 forts for the North. Fort Henry was one. Give the name of the other fort.
Franklin.
Try again.
Ford.
Try again. Mary G.
Fort Morgan?
No, sorry. McGill.
Fort Tennessee,
No, Fort Donaldson was the name of the fort. McGill, your question. The Union victory at Vicksburg on July 4th, 1863, came the day after the Confederate defeat at another battle. Give the name of this battle.
Antietam,
Try again.
Willis Fort,
Nope. Murphy.
Gettysburg.
Gettysburg is correct. 1 point. All right, biology is the topic. To our home team again. Give the name of the diagrammatic tool that may be used to visualize the potential offspring of a genetic cross.
A Punnett square?
Yes, 4 points, right. Murphy. Identify the term used to describe the outward appearance of an individual as determined by inherited alleles.
Phenotype.
Correct. 4 points. McGill. Give the name of Mendel's first law that states that only one allele specifying a trait can be carried in a gamete, and gametes combine randomly in forming offspring?
Segregation.
That's right, the law of segregation, 4 points. Now we're going to change the rules a little bit, ask a question in sports. It's a toss-up question. The teams, hands on your buzzers. First team to push its buzzer answers first. 4 points for a correct answer. Here is your question. University of Virginia lost a heartbreaker to this school in the 2014 College World Series. Give the name of the school.
Vanderbilt.
That's right, Vanderbilt University. 4 points for Murphy. Back to a regular category now, literature. In Edith Wharton's short story titled The Pelican, Mrs. Amyot gave her daughter-in-law a special jacket one Christmas. Identify the specific type of animal skin from which this jacket was made.
Seal.
That's right, 4 points. Murphy. In Mark Twain's short story titled The Notorious Jumping Frog of Calaveras County, give the name of the decayed mining camp the narrator visited to call on an elderly, talkative man who told him the story of the infamous Jim Smiley.
Angels.
That's right, 4 points. And McGill. In Kurt Vonnegut's short story titled Report on the Barnhouse Effect, give the name of the special operation that was said to have ushered in the age of Barnhouse.
Operation Brainstorm.
That's right, 4 points. All right, now we're going to change the rules a little bit and ask a question in math. Now in math, each team will have 60 seconds to give its question, and every team gets a copy of every question for possible bonus points. But initially, the question is directed to one team, and they get the exclusive use of 60 seconds to give 4 possible answers. So, Mary Montgomery, this is your question. Everyone open your yellow math envelopes. Michael was asked to solve the trigonometric equation given by the product of sine of x minus 1 times 2 minus cosine of 3x equals 0 in the interval from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Answer in degree measure as an integer. These are all questions in trigonometry today.
$30,
Try again.
$60,
Try again.
$90,
Yes, 2 points. 90 is correct. All right, next math question goes to Murphy. Everyone open your red math envelopes. For angles given in radian measure, what is the value as an integer of the trigonometric expression given by sine of 5 pi over 6 multiplied by cosine of 5 pi over 3, all added to the product of the tangent of 5 pi over 4 and the secant of pi? Your answer should be in the form of p over q, where p is a negative integer and q is a positive integer, and there are no common factors. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds.
Negative square root of 7 over 2.
Try again.
Negative 7 pi over 11.
Try again. Okay, Mary Montgomery or McGill-Toolen, anybody want to buzz in and give an answer? Okay.
Negative 3 over 4.
That's right. Negative 3 over 4 is correct. All right, McGill, here is your math question. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. An oblique triangle is labeled so that angle A is opposite side A, angle B is opposite side B, and similarly for angle C and side C. If A equals 3, B equals 2.4, and B equals 30 degrees, what is the value of the sine of B? Hint, the law of sines. Give your answer in decimal form. Thirty seconds left for McGill. Ten seconds.
2 square root of 3 over 3.
Try again. Murphy.
0.8.
Sorry. Mary Montgomery. Go ahead.
The 2.4 over the square root of 2.
No, 4/10. That was the answer we need in decimal form, 4/10. All right, we're going to go back to math in a little bit. But meantime, we'll move on to Shakespeare, to our home team. Give the name of the castle setting for the action in Shakespeare's Hamlet.
Ellisnor.
Right, 4 points. Murphy. Mark Antony's funeral oration in Julius Caesar, Act 3, Scene 2. This character says that Caesar was not guilty of this trait, for it, 1, should be made of sterner stuff. Give the name of the quality to which Mark Antony refers.
Arrogance.
Try again.
Power.
Try again.
What?
McGill.
Greed.
No. Mary Montgomery.
Kingsmanship.
Ambition. Ambition should be made of sterner stuff. McGill, your question in Shakespeare. In Act 2, Scene 1 of A Midsummer Night's Dream, Oberon and this character quarrel over an Indian boy. Name Oberon's opponent in this quarrel.
Titania.
Right, 4 points. Move to geography. Back to Mary G. The Amu Darya River forms part of the border between Turkmenistan and another Central Asian republic. Give me the name of this other republic.
Tajikistan.
Try again.
Kazakhstan.
Try again.
Kyrgyzstan.
Try again.
Uzbekistan.
Yes, 1 point. Very good. Murphy. In 1812, an aggressive leader marched his troops from Poland to Moscow with the hope of extending his control over Russia. The cruel Russian winter forced his troops to retreat, but only 10% of the soldiers were able to survive the harsh weather conditions. Give me the full name of the leader of these troops.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
4 points, correct. McGill. A temperate grassland extends from southern Ukraine through northern Kazakhstan. Its highly fertile soil makes this region a major source of grain for Russia and the republics. Give the name of this type of grassland region.
Northern European Plain,
Try again.
Turan Plain,
Try again.
grasslands,
Mary G.
The taiga.
No. Murphy.
Tundra.
Steppe. S-T-E-P-P-E. The steppe. All right. Halfway through our competition right now. McGill-Toolen has 14. Mary Montgomery has 15. Murphy's in the lead with 23.
Need a loan for a newer used car, truck, RV, ATV, or even home? a credit union's the way to go. We're New Horizons Credit Union, the largest local credit union in Southwest Alabama, where your deposits help a neighbor purchase a car or home. It goes right back into our local economy. So if you live, work, worship, or go to school in Southwest Alabama, don't send your money to Mississippi or Florida. Go local. Join New Horizons Credit Union. We have roots here, not just branches.
And now we'll start the second half of the competition. Good luck to everybody. Score as many points as you can. We'll start with chemistry. Back to our home team. State the name given to the use of a catalyst, which is in the same phase as the reactants.
Enzyme?
Try again. McGill.
Product.
No. Murphy.
Critical point?
No. Homogeneous. No points there. Murphy. State the color that is observed when strontium salts are placed in a flame.
Blue?
Try again.
Green?
Try again.
Orange?
Try again.
Purple?
Nope. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. McGill.
Yellow.
No. Mary Montgomery. Red. Yes, red is right. Just about every primary color. It's good. McGill. State the color of an aqueous solution containing the nickel hexahydrate complex ion if no other colored compounds are present.
White.
Try again.
Blue.
Try again.
Yellow.
Try again.
Red.
Nope. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Don't buzz in early because then you go last. Murphy.
Orange?
No. Mary Montgomery.
White?
Green. Green. All right. Art history is the topic. Back to Mary Montgomery. This category of painting or photography recreates the likeness of a person. During the age of realism, it became a popular way to depict the middle class as seen in the painting of Monsieur Bertin the Elder. State the general term for this type of painting or photograph.
Portraiture?
Right. 4 points. Murphy. In this impressionist painting, Edgar Degas captures the expressive facial features and raised arm movement of a woman dressed in a fashionable pink gown as she sings on stage in an elegant theater. Give the title of this painting.
The ballerina?
Try again. McGill.
Singer with a black glove?
Yes, that's right. 1 point. And McGill. In the late 1860s, 3 artists formed the habit of going to sit on the riverbanks near Paris to paint the countryside and the reflection of light on the water. The many colors revealed in the reflections gave them the idea of painting light by applying bands of opposing colors. 2 of the artists were Monet and Renoir. Give the last name of the 3rd artist who originally painted by the riverbanks with them.
Manet?
Try again.
Degas.
Try again.
Seurat.
Try again. Murphy.
Courbet?
No. Mary Montgomery. Go ahead.
Francois.
Pissarro. Camille Pissarro. No points. All right, time for team choice. Now, before the match, each team chose the topic it wanted to be quizzed on. 4 points for a correct answer, but in team choice, the wrinkle here is there's only 1 answer per team. So team, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, you can buzz in, and then you can score 2 points instead of just 1. So, Mary Montgomery, you chose American history. Here is your question. Please, just 1 answer. 4 days after the election of President Lincoln, delegates in South Carolina called for a special convention to be held in December 1860. At this convention, they unanimously voted to secede. Give the name of the city in which they met.
Hartford.
Sorry. McGill.
Charleston.
Charleston is right. 2 points for McGill. Murphy. You chose Shakespeare. Again, just one answer. Give the name of the poison that Claudius pours into the ears of King Hamlet in Act 1, Scene 5.
Arsenic.
Sorry. McGill.
Hebena.
Right. 2 points for McGill. All right, McGill, here's your question. You chose literature. One answer. In Edith Wharton's short story titled Zingu, when Mrs. Roby abruptly left the lunch club meeting early, she told the hostess that she had another social engagement to attend. Identify the specific card game that Mrs. Roby said she planned to play immediately upon leaving the lunch club.
Bridge.
4 points, correct. All right, time for our second toss-up of the match. It's in geography. So teams, hands on your buzzers. As soon as you think you know the answer, buzz in and you get 4 points. A low range of mountains is bounded by the Amur River to the east and Lake Baikal to the west. Give the name of these mountains. McGill.
Ural.
Sorry.
Carpathian.
No, sorry. Murphy. Nope. Yablanovi Mountains. That was the name. No points. Physics is the topic. Back to a regular category now and another 15-second question. State the name given to the theoretical temperature of minus 273.15 degrees on the Celsius scale determined by extrapolating the ideal gas law.
Absolute zero.
Absolutely right. 4 points. Murphy. State the name given to the physical quantity determined from the product of 1/2 of an object's mass and the square of its velocity.
Acceleration.
Try again.
Density.
Try again. McGill.
Kinetic energy.
Yes, kinetic energy is right. 1 point. McGill. State the name given to the property of waves, whereby the waves interact with one another, resulting momentarily in a single wave whose amplitude is the sum of the individual waves.
Constructive interference.
Try again.
Constructivity.
Try again.
Destructive interference.
Try again.
Interference.
Yes, interference is what I needed. 1 point. I couldn't take anything except interference for the answer to that. American government is the topic. Mary G. In the fall of 1786, a former American officer in the War for Independence and other leaders led an uprising that forced the Supreme Court in Springfield, Massachusetts to close, and the next year attacked a federal arsenal. Give the last name of this former officer.
Shays.
That's right, Shays Rebellion. Very good. Murphy. The executive and legislative branches of the government are separate and co-equal. The chief executive is chosen independently of the legislature, holds office for a fixed term, and has broad powers not subject to the direct control of the legislative branch. Give the name of this type of government.
Bilateral government.
Try again.
Federalist.
Try again. You're in Montgomery?
Bicameral.
No. McGill.
Presidential.
Presidential is right. 1 point. McGill. Give the name of the type of economy in which private enterprise exists in combination with a considerable amount of government regulation and promotion.
Command economy.
Try again.
Socialism.
Try again.
Capitalism.
Try again.
Free market capitalism.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Home team?
Communism?
No. Murphy? It's called mixed, a mixed economy. No points. World history is a topic. Back to our home team. At the end of World War I, the Treaty of Versailles created an international association with the goal of keeping peace among the nations. Give the name of this international association.
The League of Nations?
That's right, 4 points. Murphy. When Stalin became the leader of the Soviet Union, he drastically transformed the government into one that controlled every aspect of public and private life. Give the name for this type of government.
Communism?
Try again.
Dictatorship?
Try again.
Fascist?
Try again.
Totalitarian?
Yes. Very good. Totalitarian. Right. 1 point. McGill. In order to deal with the issue of war crimes at the end of World War II, 23 nations sent representatives to an international military tribunal in Germany. Nazi war criminals were put on trial for crimes against humanity. Give the name of the city where these trials were held.
Nuremberg?
Right, 4 points. We're down to the last question. In today's contest, it is worth 4 points. All right, ready teams, open your white math envelopes now. For at least one real number x, so that 1/5 raised to the 2x power equals 625. List all such real numbers which have this property. McGill.
12.5.
Sorry. Ten seconds. Murphy.
X equals 2.
Sorry. Mary Montgomery. Answer? Mary Montgomery?
Negative 25.
Sorry, -2. -2 was the answer we needed. So, our score, Murphy with 24, McGill with 30. Today's winner, Mary G. Montgomery with 32 points.